I think, yes, definitely there are a lot of tech names going back to Hong Kong market. But I think Hong Kong investors get more familiar with the tech names. I think there are, at least from my experience, there are more portfolio managers who learn this sector very quickly, and there are more analysts who's mainly focusing on these sectors. So, and I think after Meituan, Xiaomi, especially after Tencent, after Alibaba, people have a broad view of the whole sector. So you can see that the new economy that basically represents the future of China's economy. So I don't think it's a very overcrowded sector. And if you look at the U.S. Stock market, you see that the so-called the large tech companies like Facebook, Google, Amazon are still attracting a lot of investors' attention. So I think it's a natural trend. I don't think it's an overcrowded market.
I was reading a report about how some of these U.S.-listed Chinese companies are going for not a huge number, but a few of them going for take-private transactions, going private for now. Do you expect a trend for these companies to come to Hong Kong market? Is this really the ultimate popular venue for these companies? Are you paying attention to that?
I don't have very specific information about this, but I think it's going to be a trend that more and more Chinese tech companies, or the ADRs, will either relist in Hong Kong or probably take a privatization first and list in Hong Kong again. I think the major reason is definitely to try to avoid the current geopolitical risk. And also, as I mentioned, that the Hong Kong investors get more familiar with the tech names. So there's an increasing enthusiasm towards the tech names. Because, previously the problem for Hong Kong investors is that they are focusing too much on the profits. But now I think, especially after some cases like Meituan, they realize that the market share, the outlook, the how to evaluate tech, those internet or tech companies who are still on the loss. They have gained more experience. So I think that there has been more increasingly enthusiasm towards these companies.